Hi, I'm Becky. It's time for another story from Africa.
Today we are reading from the book Tamed by Trees by Rebecca Wanjiku, and the title of our story is The Happy Revival. For ages, Olokwango Hill stood smiling at the middle of Kwere Plains. From its side came springs which joined downhill to form River Temu. Its waters were a gift to the sheep and goats of the area, as well as the deer that dwelt in the plains. Things were all well until Matata became headman. He ordered a path to be cleared from the top of the hill to the foot so that he could climb uphill easily and roll gently down to the foot. Olokwango Hill was angry with the damage to his beard, but he was patient. During the weekend, Matata's children and their friends would climb uphill to play. They would run all over the place, breaking twigs and branches, lighting fires for their games, which they would later leave burning. Over time, Olokwango lost patience. The dimples became smaller and smaller as his face turned into ugly wrinkles. At last, the springs were no more. The deer in the plains migrated because there was no more tall green grass to play in. The sheep and goats grew thinner and thinner. Everyone felt the sadness of Olokwango Hill. The people of Kwere realized that something needed to be done. They joined hands and overthrew Matata the headman. In his place, they appointed Baraka. Baraka immediately ordered everyone to plant a flower or a tree to honor Olokwango. Baraka and his people held ceremonies and brought gifts of pine, cedar, and cypress for Olokwango. No one walked on the hill any longer, and the grass had a chance to grow tall once again. Gradually, the smile on the face of Olokwango Hill grew broader and the dimples deeper. Out of the dimples, the springs ran again. River Temu was revived. The plains became greener than ever before. The deer galloped happily once more across the grass. "Long live Baraka! Long live Baraka!" the people of Kwere sang. "Long live Olokwango," said Baraka and his people. "May our children and their children's children forever respect you." The book, Tamed by Trees, is available as an ebook or paperback on Amazon, and in other countries you can check the details in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel for more stories. Bye bye and see you again soon.